Lions are very large cats that live in Africa. If you measure them from nose to tail, they can be as long as a small car. Neo boys have a large, fluffy mane around their heads that can be compared to a huge fur coat. How do lions live? African lions live in groups called prides. Each pride has several lionesses, usually sisters or mothers with daughters. There may also be male boys in a pride. One of the males is usually the main one. He is the first to eat, the first to play with the lionesses, the first to defend his territory. If another lion comes into their territory, the main male fights with him. Usually there are about 13 lions in a pride, but sometimes there can be as many as 40. Lion mothers always take care of their cubs, and can even feed milk to the cubs of other lionesses. But lion dads love their cubs too. They help defend the pride's territory and sometimes play with the little lion cubs. Together, lions learn to hunt, play with each other and take care of their home. This is why lions are often called the king of the beasts, because they are very strong and caring. The lionesses hunt together and care for the cubs. How do lion cubs grow? When lionesses become mothers, they go to a secluded place and give birth to 2 to 4 blind and very small cubs, which are no larger in size than small kittens. After 6 weeks, the lion cubs begin to play next to their mother and taste the meat. After 10 weeks, they are large enough to return to their group and play with the rest of the lions. A lion is a predatory animal. Science classifies it as a big cat. The weight of a male lion reaches 200 kilograms or more. The ancient homeland of lions is Africa. In later times, they began to be found further north, living in northern India, Iran, and in Russia, in the Far East. The appearance of these animals is remarkable, with short shiny fur and a tassel at the end of a long tail. They are gracefully stern and slowly majestic. The male lion, deservedly called the king of beasts, looks especially majestic and proud. His head is adorned with a lush mane that runs down his chest and back. The coat color matches the desert savanna landscape, various shades of yellow-gray, brown and even black. Lions live in families and usually go hunting at night with their lionesses. Their roles are distributed as follows. The lion scares the inhabitants of the savanna with a roar, and when they scatter, looking for shelter in the thickets, the lioness is waiting for them there. Antelopes and zebras become prey. During the day, animals sleep on thick tree branches or in open, visible areas to avoid the horns and hooves of buffaloes and the heavy legs of elephants. The lifespan of a lion in the wild is from 10 to 14 years, in the zoo, more than 20. The offspring of lions are blind, cat-sized babies, helpless at birth, which the mother lioness hides several times, carrying them by the scruff of the neck. She is a very caring, patient and wise mentor. She brings the grown-up lion cubs to the lion, the family is reunited, and they begin learning the skills of hunting and survival in the conditions of a tough struggle for their territory.